I hope you all are doing well. Today is my first lecture, and our topic is Introduction to Angiosperms, also known as flowering plants. So let's begin this exciting journey to explore one of the most beautiful, fascinating, and essential groups of plants on our planet, the angiosperms. Introduction. Angiosperms are the largest and most diverse group of plants in the plant kingdom. They belong to the division Magnoliophyta. And the most defining feature of angiosperms is that their seeds are enclosed within a fruit. The word angiosperm comes from two Greek words. Angio means covered and sperma means seed, together meaning covered seeds. This feature sets them apart from gymnosperms, where the seeds are strong and not enclosed in fruits. So, when you eat an apple or a mango, the seed inside is the covered seed, the hallmark of angiosperms. HR, distribution and importance. Angiosperms are found almost everywhere on Earth, from the dry, scorching deserts of Arabia to the icy slopes of the Himalayas, from rainforests to grasslands, and even underwater in some cases. P. They include tiny herbs like mint, creepers like money plant, shrubs like hibiscus, and gigantic trees like the banyan. Pause. Examples: mango tree, fruit-bearing flowering tree. Rose plant, famous for its beautiful fragrant flowers. Wheat, a cereal crop and monocot plant. Sunflower, follows the direction of sunlight. Pause. Cause. Banyan tree, with aerial roots and a massive canopy. Pause. Fun fact: around 300,000 species of angiosperms exist today. They make up about 90% of all plant species on Earth. So almost everything green you see around you, from your garden to your plate, belongs to this group. Structure of the angiosperm plant body. The body of an angiosperm is organized into two main systems. Root system, usually underground. Lie of suit system includes the stem, branches, leaves, flowers, and fruits. Absorb water and nutrients, support its structure, make food through photosynthesis, and reproduce and continue its generation. Let's explore each system one by one. Root system. Roots are the hidden heroes of plants, usually unseen, but absolutely vital. They anchor the plant in the soil, absorb water and minerals, and store food. There are two main types of root systems. A list P. Found in plants like mustard, carrot, and bean. Found in plants like brassica, pitdonk, and pang. Consists of one main root growing deep into the soil, with smaller side roots. There is two main types of root systems. Above, found in plants like mustard, carrot, and bean. Found in plants like brassica, pitdonk, and pang. Consists of one main root growing deep into the soil, with smaller side roots. P. Line is strong. Taproot system, dicots. P. Strong. Found in plants like mustard, carrot, and bean. Found in plants like brassica, pitdonk, and pang. Consists of one main root growing deep into the soil, with smaller side roots. P. Line is strong. Taproot system, dicots. P. Strong. Found in plants like mustard, carrot, and bean. Found in plants like brassica, pitdonk, and pang. Consists of one main root growing deep into the soil. P. Line is strong. Taproot system, dicots. P. Strong. Found in plants like mustard, carrot, and bean. Found in plants like brassica, pitdonk, and pang. Consists of one main root growing deep, strong fibrous root. Found in plants like wheat, rice, and maize. P. Strong. Consists of many fine roots spreading out near the surface. P. Strong. Modifications of roots. Storage roots. Carrot, beetroot, store food. Climbing roots. Money plant, help climb support. P. Strong. Respiratory roots. Mangroves, Alpine breathing in swampy soil. SP. Frums. Prop roots. Banyan tree, give extra support. In orchids, absorb moisture from air. Pause. Did you know the great banyan tree in India has more than 3,000 prop roots, spreading over several acres? SP. Frums. SP. Frums. SP. Stem. The stem is the main aerial part of the plant. SP. Stem. The stem is the main aerial part of the plant. SP. Frums. SP. Stem. The stem is the main aerial part of the plant. SP. Brie, it supports branches, leaves, flowers, and fruits, and acts as a strong transport system, connecting roots and leaves through strong xylem and phloem. From. Strong functions. Transport of water, minerals, and food. Sometimes storage or photosynthesis. Bearing reproductive parts. Storage, strong. Potato, tuber. Ginger, rhizome. High 3. Branches. Branches arise from the stem and help spread the plant's canopy. They hold the leaves in a way that maximizes sunlight absorption for photosynthesis. P. Strong. Branching patterns. P. Opposite branching. Guava. Alternate branching. China rose. Whorled branching. Alstonia. Branches also bear buds that can develop into new shoots, leaves, or flowers, contributing to plant growth and reproduction. And H3 leaves. Leaves are the plant food factories of plants. They use chlorophyll to capture sunlight and perform photosynthesis, producing food for the plant and oxygen for the environment. Parts of a leaf. Oli, parentheses. Leaf base attaches leaf to stem. Just the petiole inside of a plant. Stalk that holds the leaf. Lamina. Leaf blade. Flat surface for photosynthesis. Leaf venation. Oh, and now we're into our next step in section 5 parts. Leaf venation. Leaves. Parts of a leaf. Photosynthesis. Leaf venation. End plant, corresponding to the step you made earlier. Modifications. Storage. Aloe vera, onion. Climbing, pea tendrils. Protection, cactus spines. Reproduction, bryophyllum, new plants from leaf edges. Fun fact. A large tree can release over 400 liters of water vapor daily, helping cool the air and bring rainfall. Reproduction in angiosperms. Reproduction ensures that life continues from generation to generation. 2 main types. Sexual reproduction, through flowers. Asexual, vegetative reproduction, through plant parts. Sexual reproduction. This involves pollination, transfer of pollen from the stamen, male, to the stigma, female. It can occur by wind, water, insects, or birds. Strong. Seed and fruit formation. The zygote develops into an embryo and the ovary becomes a fruit. Parenthesis. Example. In a mango flower, pollen from the stamen travels to the pistil, fertilization occurs, and later a mango fruit develops containing a seed. Reproduction. Some angiosperms reproduce without flowers or seeds using body parts. List. Stems, potato tubers, strawberry runners, pay. Line. Leaves, bryophyllum, new buds on leaf edges, pay. Roots, sweet potato, onion and garlic, pay. This is very useful for farmers. They can grow thousands of plants quickly from one parent plant. Flowers, the reproductive organs. H3. Flowers are not just beautiful, they are strong, nature's reproduction centers. Each flower typically has strong 4 main whorls. Each flower typically has 4 main whorls. H3 semipetals. Prite for pollinators, male part producing pollen, and so on. Style and ovary. After pollination and fertilization, the ovary becomes the fruit, and the ovules become seeds. Fun fact, the Rafflesia arnoldi, the world's largest flower, can be over 1 meter wide and weigh 7 to 10 kilograms. It's known as the corpse flower because of its strong odor. After fertilization. After fertilization, P. The ovary develops into a fruit, strong, and the ovules develop into seeds, strong. Also, an embryo, young plant, and stored food for germination, and a protective seed coat. Strong PP, monocotyledonous, 1 seed leaf, maize, rice, wheat, 2 seed leaves, bean, pea, mango. Seed dispersal mechanisms. Strong PP, wind, dandelion, maple, water, coconut, animals, mango, berries, means, mango, berries, explosion, balsam, pea pods. Dispersal helps plants avoid overcrowding and spread to new locations. Heart. Significance of angiosperms. Angiosperms are vital for life on Earth. They produce oxygen and food through photosynthesis, provide fruits, vegetables, grains, fibers, oils, and medicines, give us wood and paper, support pollinators and wildlife, help maintain climate balance by absorbing carbon dioxide. Think about it. Our homes, clothes, furniture, medicines, and meals all depend on angiosperms. Without them, human life would not be possible. Conclusion. In conclusion, angiosperms are the most advanced, diverse, and successful group of plants on our planet. Their roots, stems, leaves, flowers, and seeds are beautifully designed for growth, survival, and reproduction. They beautify the earth, provide food and oxygen, and sustain every ecosystem on our planet. So next time you admire a rose, enjoy a mango, or rest under a tree's shade, remember you're surrounded by the gifts of angiosperms. P. Strong. If you found this lecture informative and interesting, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more educational content. And now, before we end, here are strong 3 quick questions for you. LOL. What is the main difference between angiosperms and gymnosperms? P. Name 2 plants that have a fibrous root system. P. What are the 4 main parts, whorls, of the flower? P. Write your answers in the comments below. I'll check them in the next lecture. P. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.